provide, this is not good enough. Sa mga Pilipino, dapat hindi sila umuwi ng Pilipinas. Kasi, so for OFW Business and International, you are anything business. Kasi, kung mangyayari ang World War III, OFW, foreigner, you're working around the globe for your city district, huwag na kayong umuwi sa bansa nyo kasi sa bansa nyo ganun din mangyari is a World War III for strict and damages your life. Kaya itong Philippines na to, isang kalapastanganan tong Philippines na to na yung mga Pilipino pinapauwi ng Pilipinas. Dapat hindi sila pinapauwi. Doon sila mamatay kasi nakaduplicate sila sa kanilang trabaho, sa pangangamuhan nila or business for sacrifice and responsibility. Because as a money is a well, binabayaran sila ng pera. Dapat lang doon sila mamatay. Isang kalukuhan tong batas na I don't know this justice well is very bullshit. Right? Kaya kayo mga Pilipino, wag na kayo umuwi ng Philippines kasi ang China ngayon at Philippines magwawar. Matatapos lang ang Iran at saka Israel ang Amerika. Philippines na susunod because Russia and China as defense Iranian to battle of America and this Israel could as World War III. Right? Kaya itigil yung mga drama yung puro kabubuhan. Kaya lang nakakaintindi, I can't retweet it on you. Best to check in this policy. Going to home.